Bouncing back from place to place. I was just telling Rebecca, this forecast is very fickle, and we've got to pay attention to your exact location because we're talking major extremes, potential ice, winter weather to our north, and 60s and thunderstorms down along the Alabama state line. And as far as this line continues to wobble, that could dramatically change the game. So stay with us and pay attention. Right now we're coming in 38 degrees right here in the city. Hopkinsville, you're starting out at 35. This morning is quite calm, but we do have some fog situations, such as going into Columbia. Your visibility's dropped to around 3 miles, 4 in McMinnville. These will go down before they will head up going into the morning hours, right around 8:30 or so. We are picking up on some wintry mix north of our northern tier. But yes, that is portions of Kentucky. Right here in Middle Tennessee, we do have some showers right around into Clarksville. That's going to continue to move its way eastward. There are no thunderstorms associated with it. But what I do want you to really pay attention to, and I know it's hard to see, are the wind directions. This is our boundary. Kind of think of it as a fence. It's blocking that cold air north of Hendersonville, and then you're going south of the city and it's blocking that southerly flow from moving its way northward. So this line right along here is going to be the tale of two different situations, and that line, it's not like a fence. It's not stationary. It's going to bounce just a little bit over the next 24 to 36 hours. Temperatures right now, you really don't notice too much of a difference. That is anticipated. We're coming in with numbers in the 30s, a little warmer actually than yesterday. As we head throughout the day, we're going to see those clouds hanging with us, but then you'll notice some peaks of sunshine. And when we do get the peaks of sunshine, we'll be slightly warmer. We transition into tomorrow morning. That's when we're going to start to see some rain showers taking shape. These will be very cold raindrops, and then some wintry mix along our Kentucky tier. But look down to our south. We're looking at numbers that are quite a bit warmer. Because of this tricky situation, we are dealing with the threat of potential ice. Ice is heavy. It falls as rain, then it collects as ice on trees as well as poles of sorts, and that can cause some really heavy situations and potential falling. We're not looking to see a ton of ice right here, but if this line were to go more to our south, that could be a different setup. You'll notice as we continue to go on throughout Thursday, because this is a very long process, we're still going to see that same situation with thunderstorms south and then potential ice and wintry mix just off north of Nashville. The main concern right now is around I-40 northward. We will have a winter weather advisory that kicks in this afternoon, staying with us through Thursday afternoon, and that could change depending on that line that will push its way more so down to our south. So here's a look over the next 7 days. The city will be in the 50s today as well as Wednesday. If you are in Kentucky, you're going to be in the 30s and 40s. Everybody will be in the 30s as we go throughout Thursday. Thursday afternoon, closer to that Kentucky state line, you're going to be right around freezing. Closer down to the south, you'll be in those 40s. So we'll keep a very close eye on how Thursday pans out. We'll be dry Friday, and then we're doing it all over again this weekend. Look at highs on Sunday, 29 degrees. So Ben, this is a very tricky forecast. If you are in northern locations, it's going to be completely different than along the state line. So follow along and stay tuned.